So here we are in our Shopify Theme Editor. If this is your first time interacting with this interface, it may seem a little bit overwhelming, but trust me, it's not as complicated as it seems. Let's start by breaking down everything we're looking at here into 3 easy to understand steps. The first step is going to be our navigation. If we go to the top here, you'll see it says homepage. It says that because I'm currently on my homepage. So if I wanted to navigate to a different part of my Shopify store, I click here, and then for example, I could go to a product page or a collection. And then going down here, I could go to different pages, blogs, blog posts, and so on and so forth. I'll close this up here, and now let's go to the left-hand side. Over here is our store's content. You'll see we have our header, template, and footer. I can click on Add Section to add a section into these different areas. And then the third step is going to be our actual store. If I scroll down here on the page, you'll see that all of the store content is housed right here. And this is what our customers are going to see once we complete our store's design.